Hi, I'm Alex from E2 Language. In this video, I'm going to talk about IELTS reading on the computer. Let's go. In this quick video, I'm going to tell you 8 important things you need to know, and at the end, I'm going to show you 2 places where you can practice all the IELTS reading tasks. First things first, some things are exactly the same as the paper delivered test. That is the length, the sections, the number of questions. So you're going to have 60 minutes, 3 sections, 40 questions. Number 2, there is free movement within all of the sections of the reading test. What I mean is, when you start the reading test, you can move to section 3, back to section 1, go to section 2, click on question 1, click on question 38, and change your answers at any time during the 60 minutes. The third thing is about the functionality of the computer-delivered reading test. 2 things you should know is that you can change the size of the text. You can make it bigger or smaller, and you can also change the color of the background. So you can make it white or off-white or something in between. The fourth thing is also a kind of functionality tool. You can highlight on the screen and you can also take notes on the screen. And these are 2 really useful functions on test day. Number 5, you also get a piece of paper and a pen. So if you want to take notes or scribble down answers as you're going, you can do that. Just remember that that paper gets taken off you before the next part of the test. Number 6, I'm sorry to report that Ctrl-F, the find function, does not work on the computer delivered test, so you can't use that. Number 7, capital letters. Can I write in all capitals? Well, IELTS official tells us to follow capitalization convention, which means basically if the word is in small letters in the text, then when you fill the gap on your answer sheet, it should also be in small letters. However, other people tell us anything goes when it comes to capital letters. Best practice, and what we would recommend, in the real world, is follow the capitalization rules. For IELTS reading, whenever you're filling the gaps, just use exactly what is in the text and write that into the gap. No brainer. Now the final and probably most important thing I want to share with you is how the questions look on the computer delivered test. Some of them are fairly similar, like for example, multiple choice. On the paper delivered test, you have to write the letter A, B, or C. But on the computer delivered, of course, you're just going to click the button. The instructions will tell you choose the correct answer, and you just click on it. When you're filling in the gaps, obviously you just type your answer directly into the sentence. There's no answer sheet that you need to transfer answers to. True, false, not given, yes, no, not given. They're also a little bit simpler on the computer. Rather than write the word true or the word not given, the word's not given, you just click a button. Click a button for yes or no or not given. It's much simpler. But a couple of the question types are quite different to the paper delivered. Let's talk about headings match. So on the paper delivered version, headings match involves taking the Roman numeral, that little I, the little II or V, and writing that onto your answer sheet. On the computer delivered test, drag and drop. Actually much simpler. Match information and match features also look quite different on the computer delivered version. Rather than writing the correct paragraph name, let's say it's match information, the instructions say which paragraph contains this information. Rather than write the paragraph letter, you're going to click in a table like this. So if you're preparing for the computer delivered IELTS, it's a good idea to practice all those question types in the computer delivered format, and there are 2 places you should go. First one is the official IELTS site. You can find it in the description below. And the second one, wouldn't you know, E2 Language. Jump onto our website and you can find all of the question types under the Reading tab in the computer delivered format. Also check out our brand new methods videos. They show you how a question looks in the paper delivered format and in the computer delivered format. So simply make a free account and you can have a look through all of the questions, and while you're there, register for some live classes and I will see you there. Bye for now.